right, guys, so it's official. We're here. I've got my autocross hat on, and we're gonna have some fun. First, I gotta rotate tires on my car though, because the fronts are wearing way faster than. Hey, AJ. Good morning.
Hello.
Cameron.
Hi. This should be fun. Nice.
What do you guys think of my my autocross hat?
You look like Crocodile Dundee.
Hell yeah, I look like Crocodile Dundee. All right, guys, we're going for our first autocross run of the day for me. I'm running in 8th Street, and there's actually a lot of competition right now. At least three Fiesta STs here and one Fiat 500 Abarth. 40.4. This is kind of a hard course. So I'm about a second off, it looks like, of what the rest of the cars in my class started at. I can definitely get better though. I can definitely get better. This is a trickier course than I realized at first, because it's a lot tighter than I'm used to, and that's something I'm not I mean, I'll just have to get used to it basically. So yeah, it's a good first run. So run number 2 is coming up here. I just saw, I think the fastest Fiesta ST so far has run a 38 something, which means that's like about 2 seconds faster than me, which is unacceptable. Unacceptable. They're all better than me. I just need to get better is all I need to do here. Because I kind of forgot what the beginning of the course looked like, so now that I know, hopefully I'll be a little better. I really don't want to lose today, but I'm a little worried now. These people are good. I gotta try not to spin either, because I was spinning off the line for the last one. I felt better. Oh man, I'm still just 40.3. How am I gonna drop time off of this course? I must be able to push harder somewhere where I'm not. So of the rest of the people in H Street right now, it seems like the fastest guys, well, the fastest guy isn't a Fiesta ST like mine. His is gray, but he is lifting an inside rear tire at every single turn. Like, it's crazy. It looks like the rear end just I don't even know. I mean, half the time it looks like it's about to flip over. So it looks like I just need to drive more aggressively. I'm not driving aggressively enough, maybe. We'll find out, I guess, in this next run. I must not be driving aggressively enough. It's hard to believe that, because I feel like I'm moving, but we'll see what we can do in this third run. go, 39.7, that's better. Man, I have to drive the wheels off this thing to go fast. I feel like I'm beating the shit out of it when I... Seriously, that's crazy. I feel like I'm beating the living crap out of this car when I'm going that fast. Now I just want to get under 39. I keep saying that I'm increasing my expectations, but you got to do that to get faster. Ooh, a 39.086. I'm almost under 38, guys. I think I can do it. If I didn't hit a cone anyway, that was 39.06, 086, something like that. I don't remember what I said now, but. So I'm just sitting here waiting for my last 3 runs of the day. To win my class, I'd have to beat that gray Fiesta, and I just don't, I do not see that happening. He's really, really fast. The Fiat Abarth that's running is 1/100th of a second faster than me right now. So it's possible I could beat him and take second. We'll just see. I'm driving my car really hard, it feels like. Like, I've been told that my inside rear tire is lifting into the air like almost a foot sometimes in some of these corners. So I'm really pushing the car. We'll just see how it can react, or how I can react to this next 3 runs, and see if I can drop my time further. Literally only time will tell. So wish me luck. Let's just hope I can go fast. That's all I want to do. I just want to go fast. All right. I broke 38.8. I'm still in third. 38.800. I mean, it was faster, but I'm still off second place by like 0.3 maybe. Gosh. I mean, I can't tell what I'm doing wrong. This little guy's the car that's just ahead of me. Fiat 500 Abarth. And he drives really well, it seems like, too. And then that Fiesta right there, the gray one's the one that's leading the class right now. He just broke into 37s. Oh, you know what? Actually, shit, I might be 4th, because I think that's a co-driven car. I think I'm in 4th, not 3rd. That's sad. He ran a 38.321. I'm a half second off these guys. I really need to be faster. It sucks. I hate being slow. I hate losing. I really hate losing. Well, there goes the day. That's how the day ends, everybody. You push too hard, you hit a cone. You hit a big cone. I blew that last run. Damn it! Well, you know what? I guess that's racing. Shit happens sometimes. And now I know exactly what losing feels like. It doesn't feel good. It's all right though. I'm gonna eat some food, drink some water, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.